you doing? Here, let's get that pillow out of the way.
It's not in here, Bob.
Maybe Dad has it somewhere.
Do you want your mommy? Maddie? Maddie?
Oh, she gives up.
Oh, what's wrong? You want your... Hold on. Do you want your mommy? Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here.
Daddy?
Wait. Come here. Come here, Maddie. Come on. Move that wooden bowl. Come here, Maddie. Come on.
Hey, Mommy, it's not in my backpack. It's not in my backpack. Mommy, it's not in my
Caleb, I don't know where it is, son. I need to get here. I need to get through here.
Ow.
Sorry. Peekaboo. Lindsay.
There's Clumsy, Mrs. Clumsy.
She is. Very, very clumsy. Come here. Pick her up now.
Yep.